200 subscribers. Fuck yes. I just wanted to see YouTube. 200 subscribers. And I got almost 2,000 followers on Tumblr. Because I'm a fan. Oh yes. So, just for that, I'm holding a contest. As well. I got a shit ton of makeup that I don't use. So, if you want makeup, just comment. My favorite comment. Just a witty comment. Something, joke. Cool AFI photo. Something, and I'll mail you a shit ton of makeup. Or some clothes. Whatever. Who wears says medium? Maybe girls. Some guys may be into this. Makeup. If you into wear makeup. Maybe I should give away Lenore. I love this little doll. She's my bestie. This is the doll that I ripped all of her hair out. Yeah. This is her. The Vicious on Lenore. Anyways, that's pretty much it, other than the fact that the summer is going to be the awesome summer ever. I'm very hyper right now, and I'm very tired. I will take a nap. It's going to be an awesome summer. And last day of school is coming up in 3 days. Yes, I got an AFI shirt, and I'm getting a Black Audio shirt, and another AFI shirt. So, excuse me again, stupid pizza rolls. Making me burp. Anyways, I'll upload a couple of videos. I'll upload a video on my modeling. For the heck of it. No, I'll upload a video of a bunch of pictures of AFI. Oh yeah. So yeah. Bye.